Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Chevy Silverado oil life. It's a crucial step after every oil change to ensure your vehicle's maintenance system provides accurate reminders. This simple procedure helps your truck track its oil condition correctly, preventing premature wear and tear. We'll walk through the few easy steps to get your oil life monitor back to 100%, keeping your Silverado running smoothly for many miles. First, get into your 2009 Chevy Silverado and turn the ignition key to the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, look for the Driver Information Center, or DIC, buttons usually found on your dashboard or steering wheel. You'll want to press the info button repeatedly. This action cycles through different vehicle information displays until you find the one showing your current oil life percentage. Once you've located the OIL life display on your DIC, it's time to perform the reset. With the oil life percentage showing, press and hold the enter button. You'll need to hold it down for approximately 5 to 10 seconds. The display will then change, indicating that the oil life has been successfully reset to 100%. This confirms the process is complete. After resetting, double-check that your DIC now displays OIL life 100%. Remember, this reset should only be done immediately after you've completed an actual oil and filter change. Following this simple procedure ensures your 2009 Chevy Silverado's engine is properly monitored. Consistent maintenance, including timely oil changes, is key to keeping your truck reliable and performing its best for years to come.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.